FXBros.
Good morning, everybody. We're here on this bright and early morning. Yes, a little bit late than I wanted to start, but we're here. Just gonna briefly go over the markets, at least to New York Stock Exchange opens. So let's see. So I did get this daily to close back above here. So I believe it was the monthly charts we was looking at on Sunday, yesterday, that I was looking to see how it was going to close. One thing I do notice is that the high of this current monthly candle, which is the month of July, did not cross June's high. So even though we have a trend of highs being taken out since March, April, May, June. Yeah, so since March, we've been having highs taken out. This June high was not taken out by July's. So that's kind of holding more true to whatever June did is in fact truth. In July, which is the current month we're in right now, and we have 8 hours until that candle closes, deems that it's true that we wanted to meet the high, but we could not swing the high of the previous month, and that says a lot. That might be all we need to have enough momentum to continue lower and sweep the lows of 64.50. So that's that. Like I said, we do have 8 hours and 36 minutes till this candle closes. For the daily, which will close the month out, let's see the week. For this to make more sense, this week just started, so we still got 4 days on this weekly, but it would be nice to see the weekly engulf this and possibly fill this wick. That would be nice. But the real move is probably a height to 67.25 and then a sell-off. So I don't think we were going to get past the open. 67.31. So, 7. Oh, 8. Well, I know from the previous week. Let's see what we didn't do. Let's see, the previous week did close under support for these opens and closes on these bodies. Did not close below and under the wicks. Looks like it could possibly have swapped the low of this on this also on this previous week, but nothing too detrimental. It's just the fact that we did close below this strong zone, support zone, and not shortly after that break with this close below right here on this weekly, this break of this low. Get the very next candle reverses all the way up, and it looked like it could reverse the whole the whole body of this candle. So that's something we're gonna monitor too. All right. Let's see. We got any news? No news for Monday. Only news on Tuesday. So that's a good thing. Let's drop back down to the daily. No daily engulfings off of that scenario. This is the close below. The swing point lows here. So for sure, this daily looks like it is approaching or already engulfed the previous day, going bullish. And this is roughly shortly after we finish filling this whole gap and tapping into the order block of these prices down here. And this would show a whole lot more dominance if we do get an engulfing. And we are 8 minutes and 30, 8 hours, 31 minutes away. There we go. We just broke that high. Let's see if we're going to close above, but yeah, the daily did break above the high. So we did get two bullish engulfings on the 4 hour. So right here on Sunday at 9 p.m. was a good buy based on the 4 hour. And you would attack basically at this level here, 67.28. If we get this full extension up, that's a 50 pip move right there. What's up, brother? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm not sure if you caught anything, but that 4 hour engulfing last night looked real good. I didn't see if the 1 hour gave us anything on buys. A little something, but that wasn't until after midnight. But still a nice scenario to come after that 4 hour engulfing. So this one here, if he was up late, that'd have been a nice area for buys. Get a nice candle here for a wick fill. Then through London session, you get the wick fill. 82 to 02, it's about like 20 pips. And it's still riding high. Let's see how these candles close. They're looking a little weak on the 1 hour, going bullish, but nonetheless, that's what we did overnight. Guess the true question is, will we get this daily engulfing to close? And also, how far will the monthly close? Closing into a bullish candle, since we are coming to a month. How high can we get this body to close? And we are coming from a bullish engulfing on the monthly. After completing a gap fill on the monthly, we get a turnaround for basically the summer. I'm still unsure how this candle will close, but it's looking a little bit strong for the bull so far. This overnight and early morning push we've been seeing, but we got 8 hours left, so we got time. Hold on 1 second, bro. Okay. Wait, Sparky. Just wait. All right, I'll let you out. Since you want to whine and whine. Chill, fam. Yeah. Nope. Relax. No. Had to let the dog out so he can stretch his legs. Just like the bullish market is taking its time with stretching in this bullish extension.
There's no news going on this morning, huh?
No news.
All right.
No news. As you can see here, we have Australian news coming out tonight. US news coming out tomorrow morning. So, and not only do we have news tonight, we have the interest rate decision tonight at 11:30.
Okay.
So that's basically what we're waiting on. Also, we're just gonna see what kind of volume we get from New York Stock Exchange open in about 20 minutes roughly.
All right.
And we'll probably wrap it up. It's not too much going on. I think if you were into any moves, the move was the 4-hour engulfing leading into this 1-hour engulfing at 1 o'clock for pre-London and trading into London Open. And we've been saying that the bullish continuation, not a lot of strong body candles, not a lot of volume, but it's still the bullish continuation. But that's pretty much the only move that I saw from last night. I didn't get into any of that, but
yeah, I took it overnight, but it wasn't as strong. Like I got in after that 4-hour engulfing before the 1 hour.
okay.
So I didn't want to go in as heavy, but it worked out.
You say you got in before the 4-hour?
I got in before the 1 hour. After the 1 hour.
On what time? Like 1 o'clock in the morning?
No. As I said, like I probably got in at like 10, like after the live.
Ah, got you. Okay, I see it. Nice little sandwich engulfing at 10.
Yep.
Yeah.
So I got in at that, but it was early in the week, so I was like, okay, I ain't going too heavy. I'm gonna just see what happens.
Yeah. It worked out though, like you said.
It did. Yeah, because I like the clean traffic that is showing to the left right now on the 4-hour. So we could just ride up. Especially with no news other than YSC making something happen.
All right. Yeah, I do see that that 4-hour clean traffic look way better than the daily. I mean, it's still the same way, but we are about to get could be potentially having a daily engulfing, but like I said, we got 8 hours to wait And that's also gonna close out the monthly. So we'll see how that plays out. But yeah, the 4 hour definitely looks good for clean traffic to fill, especially with no news, like you said. And I got this last little effort to fill a gap up here from the 27th. So that would be nice to see us tap into this area. Maybe look for some closes, 4 hour closes, 1 hour closes for a potential reversal if we get one, to continue with this bearish structure that we have coming from last week. Actually, the previous 2 weeks. Yeah.
Told him, I was like, if you're gonna go outside, you better come right
1
back.
hour.
Listen. Oh.
Yeah, man. Do we have any prominent news events coming around? Yeah, nothing. So this is just gonna be fresh New York Stock Exchange volume coming in 15 minutes. No news from no other markets. Let's see how things play out. And the ebook is complete. Just sent me that boy. 19 pages of greatness.
Nice, nice.
Table of contents. Got all the images in there, all the diagrams. The wording is lined up, it's structured right. Yeah. Look at it, man. I love it. I love it. Yeah, that cover's a little weak, but
For your ebook, ladies and gentlemen, coming at y'all.
yeah, so just to give y'all a little brief little scroll through.
You already went potty, now what? You hungry?
This is basically
You drink your water?
table of contents. Got all the pages, all the breakdowns of the markets, the charts. I already gave him some. Strategy.
What's up?
What we got? $1 million plan, how to create a trading plan, and the growth and continuation, how to continue and grow it through discipline and the future, talking about the future of Forex with as far as with AI and everything else that's coming to change this industry. Oh, hold on 1 second. We got 10 more minutes for NYSE. Let's see. We got 10 more minutes on this move. Oh. Give me a few minutes, guys, and we're going to be right back. I'm going to leave the screen up for you. I'm going to take my dog out for a quick second.
Oh man, I'm going through it, babe. Going through it. I hope the camera ain't on, is it?
Probably.
Oh, just I walked here, my kids were out.
Okay.
Love it.
Oh, all right. Not a lot of volume for NYC as we're sitting here waiting. We're 5 minutes in. Not a lot of volume, guys. So, if anything, I like the fact that we did sweep a little liquidity up here. Anybody that was selling from here, you still holding probably maybe hovering around your stop loss. It would be nice to see some sales from here, maybe a few sales, maybe tapping down into here before we nice little pullback to get into more buys, maybe the target up here later today, maybe it's tomorrow morning during London. But we just need to see more price action to see where our market is actually going. Will it revert from here? I got like 55 minutes to see if that will play out, but at this point, we just gonna continue to monitor it. I mean, we got targets for bulls. We also got areas to look for reversals. Like I said, we might get an early one here for a pullback to get into more buys. So let's monitor all situations and see what we can get. We're gonna keep each other updated in the chat if we see anything, any engulfings or anything like that. And let's just get back to keeping everybody informed, if you will. But with that being said, I think we're gonna come to an end for the live for the morning. I am starting to consider a later start time, just to be more close to what the news events are gonna do with the markets. 6:30 is, I'm not gonna say it's a dead time, but we don't get any news. I mean, prior to that, any news release would be coming out at 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. So really, it would be good to get up early around that time for London, but I ain't got time for that right now with my schedule. But yeah, I'm considering starting at 7 instead of 6:30.
at least we'll be an hour into New York Stock Exchange. So with any type of news events coming out, we also got the NYSE coming out an hour right after we start the live. So I feel like that'll be a nice little sweet spot for content and just to talk about the markets with news, releases, and the stock exchange opening. So we'll see how that goes. But nonetheless, I think we're going to come to a close right now. And let's just see what this 1 hour does. The bulls are strong. We don't have no bearish candles right now. We're strong on 4 hour with engulfing. The daily is strong. Currently engulfing. We got roughly 8 hours for this candle to close. So we're going to monitor that too. We're going to monitor daily and the monthly because they both closing today. And we'll also monitor the 1 hour and see how we farm. Well, with that being said, all right, bro, we're going to wrap it up, man. We're going to see y'all tomorrow morning.
All right, everybody, peace.
Peace out, bro.